Hi, I'm Allie Reynolds with Allie's Organics. Today we're going to show you the proper procedure for starting tomato plants from seeds. The first thing that we want is some soilless mix. This one here is very small vermiculite and some peat moss. And I just fill this up, and I do like to kind of firm it in just a little bit with another pot. These pots need to be sterile or they need to be new. That way you don't have any disease that's left over, and then you won't have dampening off problems. So all we got to do is sprinkle our tomato seeds right over the surface of this. I'm just going to go ahead and use this whole package. These are Manna Orange heirloom tomatoes, one of my favorites. Then I just take some more of that mixture. I'm just going to sprinkle over about 1/4 of an inch is all we need to go on this. Then I'll just place this in the greenhouse or in a bright spot, windowsill, something that gets plenty of sunshine. These have been in here for about 10 days. Once they're to this point, then we need to get ourselves some transplant pots. And we want a good soil mixture here. This one that I'm using is Happy Frog. It's got some fertilizer in it. It's got some bat guano and some other good stuff in it. We're just going to fill these guys up to where there would be. Then we take our little starts here, hold on to their leaves, and carefully pull them apart. You want to just make a small indentation, put your tomato plant in there, and you kind of want to firm it around that tomato plant. One thing that's nice to do is if you've got a tray without holes in it, you can water from the bottom up. It's better for the transplants this way. It doesn't move them around. It'll soak it up, but don't leave them in this. If you leave them in this, then you'll end up with dampening off, root rot, or other problems. So once they've absorbed all that moisture, there's some weight to them, you can see the tops being that they're kind of wet, then you're good to go. And that's all there is to starting tomato plants from seed.